Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am happy to have you on my channel again. This is going to be a quick and easy recipe once again. This channel we are living and sharing with one another. So like I said, this is going to be a quick and easy beef stir fry recipe for you and your family to enjoy this weekend, this long weekend here in Canada. So remember, one thing I'm going to ask from you is, if you have not subscribed yet, please support your girl by subscribing to my channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment in the comment section. Let us start. Cook with me today. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. I have 2 carrots, 1 large green pepper, 1 red pepper. I have 1 onion, some black pepper, curry powder, seasoning cube, and the star of the dish, which is sliced beef. So I might be adding more ingredients as we go along the way, but this is my starting ingredients. It is time to check on the beef. So because you don't want the beef to be too hard, and also a lot of water comes out from the beef. I don't know the way they preserve this beef, but a lot of water, all this water came out from the beef. I never added any new water, so I will continue to cook it until all the water dries out, and then I will start adding the seasoning once in a while. I know we love our food, whichever culture you come from. Once in a while, try to do something new. Don't continue to eat the same food over and over again. You can kind of get tired. You will get tired. So just do something new, try new flavors. You know, Cooking is not set in stone. So that's what I like to do. Once in a while, I go and I try new flavor that I've never tried before. You're going to see all the seasoning I'm going to add in this one, and I'm telling you, it tastes very, very delicious. So now the water has dried off or dried out, and I'm going to start building the flavor with onion, and eventually I'll add other spices and other ingredients. Two seasoning cubes, a little bit of salt, veggies. You're gonna add all of them, all at the same time. This recipe does not take time at all, other than the time you're going to spend in prepping the veggies and cooking down the meat to tenderize. It does not take time at all. As you can see, once you toss in the vegetable, you just cover it for, give it 3 to 5 minutes, because you want the veggies to be a little bit crunchy, and you're done. You just add a few more ingredients to bring out more flavor, to add more flavor. As you can see, I'm adding teriyaki sauce and this Frenchy sweet onion mustard. It makes a lot of difference. It gives it a different flair. Okay, it's a different flair that we want. We don't want to be eating the same thing over and over again. Come on, we need to spice things up a little bit. Oh my God. But this is very, very delicious. Try it today with your family. Make it for your family. Surprise them instead of always giving them rice and stew or beans and fish, and surprise them with something new. Tell them that you got it in the bag. Tell them that you have more skills that you have not showed them yet. I'm just kidding here. I'm just over my head. Anyways, this is it. It's very easy, very simple. Cook and let me know of your experience in the comment section. As I get more recipe, I will share with you always. Have you done one thing for me today? Have you subscribed to my channel? Have you given this video a thumbs up? Have you left me a comment in the comment section? Have you shared my video with your friends and family? Kindly support your girl now. Let us grow this channel together. I'm so happy when you subscribe to my channel. On a serious note, kindly subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and this is the end product. I will see you in my next video.